Good to see you, Tom Mboya, this evening. And we take a look at the day's business news. And we kick it off with the latest, where Kenya is set to experience a slowdown in economic activity, which will affect long-term growth prospects following a reduction of up to 122.4 billion shillings in development expenditure. Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has told the Budget Committee of the National Assembly that it is a delicate balance between the need for increased revenues and maintaining government operations at a bare minimum. Now, Trevor Ng'endo reports.
It is the first supplementary budget of the current financial year, coming just less than a month after the beginning of a new financial year. The National Treasury is proposing a reduction of 156.4 billion shillings across the three arms of government, constitutional commissions and independent offices. Key areas affected by budget cuts among them are roads, TVETs and electrification.
14.1 billion for roads projects, 14.6 billion for electrification, that is the last mile and public facilities, 6.5 billion for water and sanitation, 6.5 for police modernization, 3.3 billion for settlement of the landless, 3.1 billion for construction and equipping TVETs.
Parliament is losing 3.7 billion Kenya shillings. And also the national government is losing. Every other person has to contribute to this deficit.
Virtually everybody complaining of huge budget cuts. I have never seen this. It is unprecedented. It's a place, as a technical person at the National Treasury, I wouldn't like Kenya to be in.
Some legislators questioned the rationale behind the budget cuts on what they term as key projects that will likely hurt the common citizens.
We are complaining about the interest we pay on public debts. But if you ask any Kenyan, including the technocrats, we don't know where this money was taken.
We must look at or preserve the pro-people project, the one that reaches people directly, especially Gen Zs, in terms of job creation, but also in terms of training. Please do not commit anything here in front of us and in front of Kenyans. And then, chini ya maji, people are still traveling, people are still doing the same things you have committed here, that it won't happen.
The first supplementary budget estimates are expected to be tabled in Parliament this week. Trevor Ng'endo for Prime Edition.